On board. My own name is Akinride Abimbola Nathaniel. I'm the chief convener, Nat Inspires, and majority of my guys are here. I can see Bolu Atife, I can see Onigbide, I can see Bukumi, I can see Olamide, I can see someone else trying to. Can you just write your names? Just type on the comment section so I can know you guys are with me. Just type if you guys are with me while we proceed. I would like to know, okay, Bukumi, I can see you. How are you doing? Hello.
Fine, sir.
Good, Bukumi. Good to hear from you. Omobo Ali, how are you doing? Good to hear from you also. Welcome.
I'm okay, sir.
You're welcome. Please, who is this person using Infinix Hot 6? I would like to hear from the person also. Just to know that the person is with me. We won't take much of our time today. I'm going to try and make it a little bit short. Give us Buluwatife, welcome on board. I'll give us some intro today, then I'll give us some little bit of personal assignment on like what we need to study on YouTube. Most of these videos are on YouTube, but we have like plenty materials on YouTube. And if you just go on YouTube without good mentorship or good tutorials or good guidance, you might not really be able to use any of the materials. So today we're going to be starting with trading. Basically, what is trading? Basically, why we are here today is because we want to learn how to trade. If you're with me, just write yes. I'm with you. The reason why we are here today is because we want to learn how to trade and be financially free, basically, so that you can do whatever you want at any place and at any time. The only work you can do at any time, yes, I'm with you. Thank you for your replies. The only thing, so far so good, the only work you can do today as it stands from anywhere, whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are in Dubai, whether you are in the US, whether you are in Antarctica, whether you are in Russia, anywhere is trading, because this market consists of over $6 trillion every day we move in this market. Over 6 trillion we move in this market. Okay, we have some people joining. We have Oluwatobi, we have Olamileko joining. Welcome guys. We won't take much of our time today. We have personal. The whole trading thing has to do with personal development, basically. Personal development. But no matter how, you still need someone to really put you through how to develop on your own personal terms. And that is why we are gathered today. This is a free tutorial class, and I hope it is a little bit interactive. So when I ask a question, please reply me via the chat. Let me know that you guys are with me on a steady basis. So what is trading? Basically, trading. Please kind of mute. If your background is noisy, please mute it. You guys just use your chat so that we won't have a noisy room. You get, use your chats to, if you want to ask me any question, use your chat. I'll be right here for you guys.
That's okay, I'm a break, Go get out of it. Get out of it.
Please mute your mics. Please mute. Please mute your mic so we won't have a noisy room. Everyone should be on mute. Only when you are permitted to speak, then you guys can speak. Okay, I think I can even do it from here. I think so. Mute. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about trading. We're going to be starting our first video on what is trading. Basically, don't let anything confuse you. Whether it is Forex trading, whether it is crypto trading, whether it is stocks trading, whether it is commodities or futures trading, everything is basically trading. So as a person, you are a trader. That is what you're trying to learn to become today. As a person, you are a trader. And trading basically means buying and selling. So if anybody comes to you and say, what is trading? Trading means buying and selling. This is something we do like on our daily basis. It's just now we want to like expand it to, okay, let's trade currencies, or let's trade cryptocurrencies, or let's trade stocks, or let's trade commodity. If you guys are with me, if I'm too fast, please just bring me back, or if you can't hear what I'm saying, just bring me back to whatever I said last. I'm going to repeat myself. So today, what is trading? I hope you guys have something you are jotting on. Trading basically means buying and selling, and we have different types of traders. We have technical analysis trader, we have the fundamental trading, we have different types of trader. We have the technical. I won't be able to write everything in full. Because I'm using I'm using a mouse. We have the technical analysis traders. We have the fundamental traders. Fundamental traders. Fundamental traders. We have the quantitative. And the last one, we have price action. So we are going to be talking on this for today. Basically, this is what we need to do today. So I mean, what is trading? Trading means buying and selling. Whether you're buying currencies, whether you're selling currencies, but the act of buying and selling is called trading. But as a trader, you can only be one of all this. There are 4 types of trader. We have the technical analysis trader. What is the meaning of a technical analysis trader? That means you are looking at the price action, you are looking at the chart. We are still going to go to the chart, but I need to give you the fundamentals. I need to give you the theories first. So we are still going to go into the chart, but right now I need to tell you why, or the type of traders you need to be. For me, I am a price action trader. We have a technical analysis trader, we have the fundamental trader, we have the quantitative trader, and we have a price action trader. Technical analysis are those ones that they look at the price of the chart and they can tell, okay, the price is going to go from this place to this particular place. Fundamental analysis trader are those people that goes for news. That means they watch CNN. They have this particular website we also check on, www.investsomething.com. Let me check for the investing.com. That's the website for those people that use fundamentals. Even price action people, they use this particular website because even as a price action trader, you need to consistently check on fundamentals of the chart and know what you're doing next. So we have fundamentals, we have quantitative. These are the these are traders that uses statistics. That means they have graphs, they have statistics to check the price of the chart. If the price is going to move from this place by January 1st and end up by this place by December 31st of a particular year, they are using quantitative analysis to read the chart. But on this platform, I am a price action trader, which is the 4th type of trader. Price action is relating with the price, the way price is going. Okay, are the buyers in, are the sellers in now, are the buyers in now, are the sellers in now, and that is what I will be basically majoring on and teaching you guys how to read the chart using price action. Are you guys with me? Please let me know. Do you guys have any questions? If you guys are with me, right, I'm with you, or yes sir, or yes, I'm with you, or yes. If you have any question, let me know. If you have a question, I'll go back to your question. Are you guys hearing me? Are you guys with me? Okay, you guys are with me. Okay, so today what we are going to do is this. Good, Infinix, I like that. So what we are going to do today is this. Because we won't be spending much time with each other, but I need you guys to go and study the history of money. The history of money. Now, if you go to your YouTube, I'm going to give you this particular YouTube page. Hold on, let me share my share screen. So I want you guys to go to this particular YouTube page. Write this YouTube page down so that this very one here, Forex Trading course for beginners, learning to trade step by step. This particular course, this one on green, this one here, the complex Forex Trading course for beginners. It's a 4 hours course, but this particular course details from the history of money, why people trade money, and this particular course will give you insight into everything we'll be doing. I'm giving you this one because it's a free course. It's an 8 hours course if you are going to buy the course, but you don't have to buy the course. We have 4 hours free to study on this particular one. So this is our assignment for this week. You are going to be studying on this course, and we are going to be discussing about it later next week. Next week Sunday, we are going to be gathering here again to talk about this particular course. But this course talks about, let me click on it so that you guys won't make any mistake. This one. Please, can you guys say it? I want to know you guys are with me, please. The Forex Trading course, learn to trade step by step. Yeah, this is the guy. So this is the guy. But what I need you guys to do here is just write this YouTube page, Forex Trading course for beginners. Just write it down and you can study this personally, because this is what we are going to be building on going forward. I'm trying to get back. I'm trying to stop the share now and just get back to our meeting. Oh, okay. You guys can see following. Okay, good. So please make sure you have that, because it's going to help us later going forward, please. Man, how do we go back? It's our first time of doing this, so you guys are going to have to work. We are going to have to learn to. We are going to get better at this. Definitely, we are going to get better at this. Okay, back to meeting. Aha. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So that particular video, that particular 4 hours video, it's a 4 hours video. When I was starting to learn how to trade, let me tell you this one. When I was starting to learn how to trade, I actually listened to that video about 10, 15, 20 times. I can't really count, but it was a lot of times. Like I listened to that video like it was a do or die. Because yes, I was going into something I didn't know anything about, just as you guys are just starting to go into something you guys do not know anything about. So I want you guys to really dive into that particular video. Have you guys written? Did you guys get the name? Did you guys get the name down? Hope you guys wrote the name of that particular video down on YouTube. Hope you guys wrote. If you don't, okay, if you don't have it, you can ask us later in the group. I'm going to even try and send the link through the group so that you guys can get the exact video. I want you guys to study that video this week, so that next week, by the time we come next week, this is what we are going to be doing next week. We are going to be going directly into the chat. Let me show you share screen. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. One participant can share. Let me show you what we are going to be doing next week.
So the person that said that my phone.
You're down, brother.
Please kindly mute. Please kindly mute. Oh my god. Is that Bowale speaking? Bowale, can you please mute your chat? Come on. So this is what the fundamentals looks like. This is what the fundamental page looks like. You should write this. Can someone please call Bowale to tell him to mute his? So please write down the name of this website also, investing.com, because this is another website we will be working with on a daily basis. If you are going to be a trader, you have to have this particular website with you. This is what we are going to be working with on a daily basis, consistently. You have to check the charts. This is what I'm doing today. Then you will have to use this particular one also, fxblue.com. This is for correlation. I'm going to explain the meaning of correlation to us later. It is not this time. No, I'm just giving you all these websites that you're going to be using at long run. This is my own professional traders chart. This one is myself and other professional traders across the globe. This is our website. You guys cannot get in just now, but yeah, the aim is that you guys will learn how to trade to an extent where you guys can also be pro and join this particular, this is what they call elite community. This is Urban Forex elite community. You have to be a pro trader to even be on this particular chart. This is my own profile right here, Nathaniel Timmy, and you see our discussions. This place, you see our analysis. You see different this was my last analysis. This was my last trade. Can you see we had good profits and all that? So we'll get to this particular point also, but next week we are going to be a little bit talking about the charts, a little bit, because yes, today we're just getting to know each other. We're just getting into the introduction level, and I need you guys to please study that particular YouTube video. It is important you guys study that particular YouTube video so that you guys can have personal knowledge of whatever I'm going to be saying. It's going to be easier for me to explain the chart to you because you guys already studied that. That is a 4 hours video. We can't possibly do that online. You understand? But you guys must develop personal development on your own. I'm going to give you materials that are free. You guys don't have to buy. You guys don't have to spend money right now. Even if, yes, you might have to spend money later for some materials. But right now, you are learning for free. You are getting all my materials that I used when I started learning for free. And I promise you, if you listen to everything I'm telling you, if you follow everything I'm telling you, it's just a matter of months. You guys can start trading live. You guys can start trading real money. But going forward from Sunday, we are going to be reading on the chart. I don't know if anybody knows, if anybody has anything like that. Okay, this again, let me just give you this website so that it's going to be like familiar with you guys. This is what they call tradingview.com. Please write it down also. Tradingview.com. This is our trading chart platform where we do our analysis on a daily basis before we now go to MT4, which is where you now execute real orders. You guys can do this. Trust me, I started from zero. Knowledge. You guys can do it if you guys are serious enough. Like, it's just a matter of how much do you guys want it actually? How much do you guys want to break free? How much do you guys want to be personally like stable and do things on your own and help your family members and help your friends, help your, and this is what this particular, we are not just going to be talking about Forex trading, definitely. On this platform, we'll be talking about leadership. we'll be talking about self-development, we'll be talking about sometimes maybe spirituality, not religious, not religiosity. We'll be talking about spirituality on how you can develop your own self. You understand? And I hope it's going to be a very interesting journey for all of us. I really hope it's going to be an interesting journey for all of us. Do anybody have any question? So today what we discussed about is what is trading. We talked about what is trading. We talked about the type of traders. By now, I'm sure you guys know the meaning of what is trading. Yes, can I hear yes if you guys are sure of what is trading? And it is as simple as that. Trading means buying and selling. I'm telling you, if you are in front of the American president right now, and you introduce yourself, I am Akinrede Abibola Nathaniel, and he asks you, well, what do you do? And you say, I'm a trader. If an American president should ask you, okay, so what is the meaning of trading? Trading just basically means buying and selling. We have traders among you guys. I'm sure you guys have done a form of buying and selling before, which is just the meaning of trading. You understand? It's just that this particular one is you are trading as a professional trader. You are trading foreign exchange. That's the meaning of FX trading or Forex trading. Forex literally means foreign exchange. Foreign exchange trading. Foreign exchange trading means buying and selling of different countries' currency. Whether you are buying Naira or you are buying dollar or you are buying the USD, we have about 28 pairs. We have the USD, we have the USD, we have the British pound, we have Japanese yen, we have the Swiss franc, we have the Canadian dollars, we have euro. Which one again? CAD, euro, Japanese yen, USD. You know, yeah, they are about 8 major pairs, basically 8 major pairs. But by the time you pair them together, you are going to get like 27, 28 pairs that you can trade together. You understand? And today also we talked about the different types of trader, which is we have the technical analysis trader. I hope you guys are writing these things down so that you guys can go through again later when you guys are free, because it's going to help you. Trust me, it's going to help you going forward, and it's going to help me also, so that I won't have to be repeating all these terminologies. By the time I'm just explaining, I'm explaining in the peripheral, like I'm explaining going forward, like that. Nice one. Thank you, Bukomi. So we have technical analysis trader, we have the fundamental trader. I said the technical analysis trader, they only use technicalities, they use numbers, they use indicators. Let me put it that way. Technical analysis traders use indicators. There are something they call indicators on the market. Okay, let me show you the meaning of indicators so that you guys won't be confused. Okay, so this is what they call indicator in the market on the chart. This particular one here, you see this blue line, and this white line. Basically, these are what they call indicators. Sometimes I can put it off. You see, when I put it off, you can't see anything like the blue and the white line again. Those are actually my moving averages. This particular one also here, this one you can see here with the green and red, and this one, this is also another form of indicator. They call it the volume indicator. And where they use technical analysis traders, they use this indicator to predict what price action is going to do later. So they will use they are technical analysis traders. We said we have fundamental traders. Fundamental analysis traders are those people that use news. They come to this place. Okay, like if you come to this particular page now, you will see AUD. AUD means Australian dollar. JPY means Japanese yen. So if a fundamental analysis trader comes online now, what it is coming to do is, okay, so which news is coming out today and what time is the news coming out today? Okay, so AUD JPY. Then if you say AUD JPY, then it goes back to the chart. It will now go back to the chart and say, okay, so today I'm looking at AUD JPY. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So because of the fundamental I checked, Australian dollar and Japanese yen, this is the chart of Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Now, because he is a fundamental analysis trader, that is why he's using the news to pick his pair. It doesn't mean that is the exact way to pick pairs to trade for a day. You understand? But because he's a fundamental analysis trader, he's using that. Then I said quantitative and statistical analysis trader. Now, quantitative and statistical analysis trader will use this. This is what I call a relative currency strength indicator. This is a correlation analysis chart. Don't let this thing be like don't let this thing be like it's barbaric. It's actually not barbaric. At long run, by the time you guys study that particular YouTube video, and you follow everything, every bit of whatever I'm telling you guys, all these things will be very easy. They are super easy. But if you guys are starting for the first time, it will be like, man, this chart is so bogus, or this statistical analysis is so bogus. No, what I'm saying, even the words of my mouth, like statistical analysis, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, all these things, they are all very simple. All you need to do is stay consistent, follow the steps I tell you guys to follow, and within a month you guys will be talking the way I'm talking. Within a month you guys will be using my kind of analogy. Within a month you guys will be using my English, my grammar. You guys will be talking like a trader, which is what I want, so that I want the community to build. And if I want to relate with you, I can relate with you as a trader. That is basically our aim. So for quantitative analysis trader, this is what they will use. They will use correlation. They will use, you see, so I was mentioning the number of pairs that we have the other time. So this is NZD. This one is NZD, which is New Zealand dollar. This is euro, which is normal. Everybody knows euro. This is gold, XAU, gold. This is CAD, Canadian dollar. This is AUD, Australian dollar. This is GDP, Great British pound. This is Japanese yen. This is CHF, Swiss franc. This is US dollar, and this is BTC. So what they do here is just they check the relative strength of each of them. Okay, like on that particular chart, on this chart now, we said we are looking at this place, we are looking at Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and the chart is just like this. Like we can see, everybody, even if you are not a trader yet, you can see the chart is moving from down and to up, and this is on a daily chart. This is on a daily time frame. So the chart is like this. Don't worry, you guys are going to understand it. I'm just giving you like an example of what we are going to be dealing about or dealing on. So this is Australian dollar and Japanese yen. The base currency is Australian dollar. The dividing currency is Japanese yen. So for a quantitative trader, it will come here and say, okay, where is Australian dollar? Australian dollar is just middle, actually. It's not that strong. Australian dollar is not that strong. Japanese yen is also not that strong. So this particular pair is actually a little bit complicated. Maybe during the week, it's going to get better. But for now, you can't really use much of this word. And we have a price action. Price action trader. This is what price action traders does. I am a price action trader, and I'll be teaching you guys to be a price action trader. Even though we would have experiences on being what it means to be a technical analysis trader, we will have experience on what it means to be a fundamental analysis trader, we'll have experience on what it means to be a quantitative analysis trader, but our own profession, our own lane will be a price action. It is like being a doctor. If you really want to make money as a doctor, you have to specialize. Yes. So as a trader, you also must specialize on a particular type of trading, which is either you become a fundamental analysis, or you become a quantitative trader, or you become a statistical trader, or you become a price action trader. Like I said, I am a price action trader, and we all will be sticking to price action. So for a price action trader, if I'm coming to the charts today, all I will say is, okay, so I can see the chart is like this. So the buyers are in, all those things you guys will be able to do it later. But for now, I'm just telling you that there are different types of traders. Trading means buying and selling. Different types of traders. I've already mentioned that to you. And then that YouTube video, the history of money, the history of Forex trading, you guys should study that on a personal note, because we are going to be discussing it even on the group. before Sunday. We'll talk about that video on the group. Personally, I am still going to listen to that video again so that I can know those people that studied on it or those people that didn't study on it. You know, my own time is precious. I believe your own time should also be very precious. So if I'm taking this very seriously, I expect you guys to also take this very seriously, because the aim is to be financially free, and nothing is actually free. Even if the aim is to be financially free, nothing comes for free, especially nothing that is good. And no matter what, being a trader is the best thing that can happen to anybody. Whether you are in banking and finance, whether you are a medical personnel, whether you are a tailor, whether you are a bricklayer. But if you can understand what the chart is saying, there is no limit to how much you can make on a daily basis. Are you guys with me, please? Are you guys with me, please? Do you guys have any question? 3 things we've done today. Like I said, 3 things we've done today. We've talked about what is the meaning of trading. We talked about the type of traders, and we talked about the YouTube video. We have only 40 minutes, which we are almost done. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to be ending the meeting. But why I need to put good? Thank you, Bukumi. Thank you, Bowale. I'm sure every other person also is listening. So now we are going to be going back to the WhatsApp chat, and I'll ask you guys some questions. If you guys have any question, please relate to me. If you guys have any question right now, can you please ask? If you have any question, if there's no question, just write "we are good." Write "we are good" so that we can proceed. If you guys do not have any question, write "we are good." Thank you, Onigbede. I can hear that. I can read that. Yeah, so that means if I have a question, okay, Tijani Rashid, good to have you aboard. We're good. Infinix, we are good. I don't know if I'm Infinix or 6. I really wish to know who that person is, but yes, thank you. Bawale, thank you. Simple and very understanding language. Thank you. I'm going to make everything as simple as possible. Forex trading is simple, like I said, and Forex trading is also very hard. It is very simple, but it comes from how your mentor, how your tutor is teaching you all these things. And it shouldn't be all about I'm your teacher, give me money, bring money. No, 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 no. If I'm going to ask you to bring money, it's going to be for your own good. Like, go, you're not even going to give me, it's going to be go and buy this thing. And I'm going to make sure I get you the cheapest materials. You will need some materials, definitely. You will need some materials. Like the one I gave you today is free, yes. But at some point, you will have to buy some materials. You understand? I will buy for some if they are very serious. If I see some dedication from some of the students, I will use my money to even pay for materials for them, just to encourage them. You understand? Just to encourage you people. But trust me, together we can do this. Together we can break the chain of poverty in Africa. The aim is to be a very big educational platform where people come in, learn for free, learn for free, and be financially stable on their own to help other people in Africa. The poverty in Nigeria and Africa is too much. We have to start talking about liberation. We have to start talking about financial literacy. We have to start talking about money. Let people know that money is actually good and money is not evil. And that is why we are here. That is why we are starting this particular platform. On this note, I would like to. Okay, yeah. Someone said he has a question. Bukumi, you said you have a question. Can you please sharply drop the question? I'm with you, but I'll continue. If I see your question, I'll answer, because we have less than a minute before this thing goes off. So I appreciate every single one of you that are here today. I promise you guys, if you guys keep coming back like this, I will take you to that place you guys are. You won't even believe it, because I will teach you how to really make money and be financially stable. I will teach you, and it won't cost you money. You will make money and it won't cost you money. But you will need your own personal development, dedication, and ability to learn. That is all I want from you guys. Please, I'll be expecting you guys back next week. My own name is Nathaniel Akinride Abimbola. I love you guys. Cheers. Bukumi, you can send your message. You can send your question to the WhatsApp group. I will answer also from there. All right, cheers. All right, Bukumi. Thank you.